Thanks very much for joining us today. I'm Matt Morant with eXp Realty. Today we have a property just under a half acre, about 10 minutes to Dartmouth, 10 minutes to the beautiful beaches of the Eastern Shore. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, nestled in nature, just down in behind me, beautiful little body of water. If you're someone that likes the outdoors, maybe drop a little kayak in there, go have some fun. If you're looking for a home that offers a little bit of nature, close to the city, got to come see this one. Come on inside, let's go take a look. Thanks very much for joining us and watching through to the very end. We're concluding the tour here in this lovely big backyard. You know what? After work, you get home, enjoy the view of the beautiful little river. Maybe you're going to jump in the hot tub and unwind and relax. Lovely property, all kinds of future potential. Come take a tour, get in touch with your agent. If you'd like me to show it to you, I'd be happy to. Thanks very much, everyone.